Magandang araw sa inyo guys, my name is Lex and this is Tech Talk PH. So hello sa lahat ng mga subscribers natin. Thank you so much for tuning in again. And sa mga hindi pa nagsasubscribe, tulungan nyo naman ako. Malapit ko na ma-hit yung 3,000 subscribers. So thank you so much guys sa lahat ng suporta ninyo. And please consider clicking that subscribe button and notifications bell for you to get updated for the future videos that I'll be uploading here on YouTube. So tayo ay nagbabalik today para sa isa na namang unboxing video, and this time i-review natin is yung baby brother ni Note 7, and this is the Infinix Note 7 Lite unboxing and first impressions. Buksan na natin. So ayan, bubuksan na natin. Lubo pa ako. Coronavirus. There you go, babatiin agad tayo ng phone pagka-lift mo ng kanyang cover. So I'll be setting it aside and ayan ang color. Ganda, no? Actually, hindi ako nagagandaan sa color violet. Pero it's really nice na makakita ka ng mga kakaibang colors sa isang smartphone, no? So ayan, nandito sa likod ng phone is of course yung usual jacket. Technically, ito na yun. Sa likod niya guys, matatagpuan natin dito is yung SIM ejector tool. What's inside the usual jacket is the warranty card, the X Club card right here. Nothing else more aside from, of course, the free clear silicone case. Again, thank you so much. So ayan, ano pa bang ibang laman ng box? So andito guys, makikita natin, of course, yung free na charging brick. Thank you so much. And this one is actually, it is definitely a 2 ampere charger. And then this one is a micro USB charging cable right here. And then lastly, a free earphones. So yeah, lagi na lang silang kompleto talaga sa accessories. So good job talaga kay Infinix. Thank you so much guys. And there's nothing else more inside the box. So eto na yung phone. And look at that gorgeous color. So this one is the violet color. It looks different, but it looks nice. Hindi naman siya pangit tignan. Maganda siya. Doon sa mga fan ng Ube Halaya and of course, sa mga fan ni Barney or fan ng BTS, kung medyo on a budget tayo pero gusto natin ng color purple na phone, ito, pwede nyo i-consider to. So, ayan. Bago tayo dumako sa main specifications netong device, guys, magkakaroon muna tayo ng quick body check. So, I'll just peel this sticker off. Ayan. Pagdating sa taas, wala kang makikita dito. It's definitely clean and neat. And then sa likod, makikita natin dito is yung camera module. Yun lang, malinis siya. Sa right side ng device, makikita natin dito yung power button that doubles as the fingerprint scanner, and above it sits the volume rocker. And then sa left side ng device, malinis naman siya aside from dito natin matatagpuan yung SIM tray. And then sa bottom part ng device, makikita natin dito is yung 3.5mm headphone jack, a microphone, the micro USB charging port, and of course the speaker grip. So that's pretty much it. Bubuksan ko na yung phone guys. So ayun guys, buksan ko na yung phone, set up ko lang to. Go ahead and talk amongst yourselves. And before we move forward to the main specifications, of course, titignan muna natin kung reliable nga ba yung kanyang biometrics, which is the fingerprint scanner and of course the face unlock. And sisimulan natin yan sa fingerprint scanner. Since nandito siya sa side, ito siya, madaling-madali lang. In 3, 2, 1. Mabilis. Again, in 3, 2, 1. Mabilis siya, it's pretty fast, no? 3, 2, 1. Mabilis naman talaga siya considerably, na ang liit lang ng portion, no, na nilalagyan nila ng scanner. Pero yun nga, hindi ko trip talaga yung mga side-mounted fingerprint scanners, no, kasi ganito ko hawakan yung phone, di ba? Tapos yung part ng kamay ko na nalalapat doon, and it keeps on vibrating, and yun yung nakakairita. And then sasabihin niya na lang bigla na yun nga, kailangan mo i-enter yung pin mo kasi hindi mo po pwedeng gamitin yung fingerprint scanner kasi yun nga, failed multiple times. Yun yung medyo nakakairita dun sa mga side-mounted fingerprint scanners, no? So yan, kung makikita nyo dito, left hand pa yung gamit ko. Pero kapag ka right hand, saktong-sakto siya dun sa palm mo kapag ka ginagamit mo siya. Yun yung downside niya for me, for me lang yun. So ayan, dadako naman tayo ngayon sa face unlock. So ayan, in 3, 2, 1. Pretty fast. Again, in 3, 2, 1. okay naman siya at mabilis din naman talaga. Last na in 3, 2, 1. There you have it, guys. Ano masasabi nyo? Mabilis ba siya? Okay naman ba siya? Kwento nyo yan sa akin sa comment section down below. So ayan, dadako naman tayo ngayon sa main specifications. And the screen of this device boasts a 6.6 inches IPS LCD screen with a resolution of 720 by 1600. So again, 720p lang yung screen resolution neto with a screen density of 266 pixels per inch. And then the display, guys, is being covered by a glass. Ang sabi lang talaga ni Infinix is a scratch-resistant glass, pero hindi niya specify kung anong klaseng glass yung nagpo-protect sa display niya. Pero yun, obviously, and it's very evident na yung frame nito and yung back cover is made out of plastic. Hindi siya transparent back. Naka-print lang tong name ng Infinix Note dito. Hindi siya transparent. So technically, may scrape off mo to and paint lang to. The Infinix Note 7 Lite is being powered by the Mediatek Helio P22 CPU, which is an octa-core CPU, guys, clocked at a maximum speed of 2.0 GHz. Then pagdating naman sa GPU niya, Power VR GE 8320, so medyo familiar na tayo doon, and familiar na rin tayo sa performance na kayang ibigay nito. This phone is being powered by the Android 10 operating system with XOS 6.0 skin on top of it. And actually, guys, isa sa mga nagustuhan ko dito sa phone na to is yung kanyang storage, no, kasi ang laki. So I have here the 4GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage. Good job, Infinix. And just before we move along, papakita ko lang sa inyo, guys. Pero naka-indicate naman dito sa labas niya, no? It actually supports dual nano SIM with a dedicated micro SD card slot. And as you can see, meron siyang rubber trim dito banda sa may sa may entrada na ng kanyang SIM tray. So most likely, kahit pa paano meron siyang safety measures na hindi siya basta-basta papasukin ng tubig. Pero yun nga, since wala siyang IP rating, guys, huwag natin siyang ilulublob sa tubig dahil baka katapusan mo na kapag ginawa mo yun. So yun, guys, dadako naman tayo ngayon sa cameras ng phone na to. And so dito sa pinakataas, makikita natin is yung 2 megapixel depth sensor right here. And then pangalawa, nandito yung 48 megapixel main shooter. And then yung pangatlong camera niya dito is the macro lens. And lastly, itong nasa pinakababa is the QVGA AI lens. And nandito sa right side niya, guys, makikita natin yung quad LED flash. Ang lakas doon. Sobra. And then dito naman sa harap niya sits the 8 megapixel selfie shooter. And parati na lang, of course, lagi tayong sinusurprise ni Infinix, meron itong front-facing flash. Good job! So yun, guys, both the main camera and the selfie camera right here can record 1080p at 30 frames per second video resolution. The Infinix Note 7 Lite has a 5,000 mAh of battery with a 10 watts charging speed. And then, nasabi ko na kanina, guys, the color that I have here is actually the violet one. And the other available colors for the Infinix Note 7 Lite are space gray and forest green. So yun, just before we end the video, guys, of course, i-share ko naman sa inyo kung magkano tong phone na to. So this is being retailed at 6,990 pesos. So for 7,000 pesos, meron ka ng ganito kagandang phones. I-check natin kung sulit nga ba talaga to sa presyo niya. Lalong-lalo na yung cameras niya, no? Kasi yun yung medyo talagang highlight dito. And dito na nagtatapos yung video natin for today. Thank you so much, guys, for your time. Again, my name is Lex and see you on the next video. Peace!